Hello guys, so happy to be with you. Today I want to tell you about the tense that is for making sentence for the situation you don't remember that you did do something or not in past time, or the situation that you wish did do something in past. Okay, but negative sentences for this type of sentences. For negative sentence, we use negative at first. We use pronoun at first. After that, object. After that, ro or ve if we are talking about object in particular. I mean, if we mean specific object. After that, we use ne before verb, and for verb we use he instead of its last name. And after that, bash and positive present to be verbs. As you see, we have the same way for positive sentence of this type of sentences, but we just use ne before verb. For example, if we want to say maybe I didn't eat the ice cream, here we use I, which means man at first. We use maybe, which means shayad, before our sentence too, and we use pronoun at first, which is man. I didn't eat the ice cream. After that, object. I didn't eat the ice cream. The ice cream. Ice cream is our object, which means bastani. Bastani. And we are talking about ice cream in particular. We mean specific ice cream, so we should use ro or ve after our object. If our object has he at end, we use ro. But if our object doesn't he at end, we should use ve after that. So here bastani doesn't have he at end, so we should use ve for that. So we have bastaniyo. شاید من بستنیو ne plus verb, but using he instead of its last name. We are talking about eating. Eating is our basic mode of verb here, which means خوردن in Persian language, and we use he instead of its last name, so we have نخورده. نخورده. After that, we use bash plus positive present to be verb, which should be proper for our pronoun. As I said in pronoun in to be verbs lesson, am is proper to be verb for pronoun when we are talking in positive sentence. شاید من بستنیو نخورده باشم. من بستنیو نخورده باشم. But we should use the word that shows our doubt, which it's maybe in English and شاید in Persian language. We use that before our sentence. So as you see, شاید من بستنیو نخورده باشم. And if we want to talk about object in general, we use the same way, just not using ro or ve after our object. For example, if we want to say wish I didn't eat an tablet, we say, we use the word that show our wishing before our sentence. Okay, and for our sentence, we use pronoun at first. I didn't eat an tablet. I is our pronoun, which means man. And after that, we should use object. Object is tablet. Tablet means course. But we are talking about negative sentence, so we should use ne before our verb. After that, bosh, and after that, adding positive present to be verb, which should be proper for our pronoun. As I said you in pronoun in to be verbs lesson, am is proper to be verb for man, so we add am to باش. So we have باشم. کاش من قرص نخورده باشم. Wish I didn't eat a tablet. And if our verb requires to destination, we should use this way. Pronoun at first plus ne and verb but using he instead of its last name, plus bash plus positive present to be verbs, and finally we use object. Maybe I didn't go to a school. شاید, the word that shows our doubt, and after we start to make our sentence, I didn't go to a school. Our pronoun is I, which means man. After that we should use verb, but using he instead of its last ne, and using ne before it, because we are talking about negative sentence. Our verb is going, which means رفتن, but we use he instead of its last ne, so we have رفته, and using ne before that gives us نرفته, and after that we use باش plus positive present to be verb, which should be proper for our pronoun. Pronoun is man, so we should add am to باش. We have باشم. After that we use object. Maybe I didn't go to a school. A school is our object, which means مدرسه. So we have شاید من نرفته باشم مدرسه. Maybe I didn't go to a school. شاید من نرفته باشم مدرسه. شاید من نرفته باشم مدرسه. شاید من نرفته باشم مدرسه. Thank you. Don't forget sharing our channel.